Hi English learner. Ready to speak naturally today?
This is your ultimate listen and repeat training session.
Let's boost your speaking score together today.
Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hey, good morning. You're up early today. Hey, good morning. You're up early today.
Yeah, I wanted to catch the sunrise before work. Yeah, I wanted to catch the sunrise before work.
Did you grab any coffee on your way here? Did you grab any coffee on your way here?
No, I'm actually dying for a cup right now. No, I'm actually dying for a cup right now.
There's a new cafe just around the corner. There's a new cafe just around the corner.
Oh nice, do they make good espresso? Oh nice, do they make good espresso?
I heard their latte art is pretty impressive. I heard their latte art is pretty impressive.
Alright, let's check it out after this meeting. Alright, let's check it out after this meeting.
By the way, how was your weekend? By the way, how was your weekend?
It was relaxing, just stayed home and read. It was relaxing, just stayed home and read.
That sounds perfect. I need a break like that. That sounds perfect. I need a break like that.
You should try it, no plans is the best plan. You should try it, no plans is the best plan.
True, sometimes doing nothing is everything. True, sometimes doing nothing is everything.
Exactly, so what's on your agenda today? Exactly, so what's on your agenda today?
Just the usual, lots of emails and calls. Just the usual, lots of emails and calls.
Sounds busy, don't forget to take lunch. Sounds busy, don't forget to take lunch.
I won't, I'm thinking of getting a salad. I won't, I'm thinking of getting a salad.
Healthy choice, I might join you for that. Healthy choice, I might join you for that.
Great, let's meet in the lobby at noon. Great, let's meet in the lobby at noon.
Sounds good, I'll send you a reminder. Sounds good, I'll send you a reminder.
Thanks, I always forget to set alarms. Thanks, I always forget to set alarms.
No worries, that's what friends are for. No worries, that's what friends are for.
Speaking of friends, are you coming to Sarah's? Speaking of friends, are you coming to Sarah's?
I think so, what time does it start? I think so, what time does it start?
It kicks off around 7 in the evening. It kicks off around 7 in the evening.
Perfect, I'll be there with a gift. Perfect, I'll be there with a gift.
She'll be so happy to see you there. She'll be so happy to see you there.
I hope so, it's been a while since we met. I hope so, it's been a while since we met.
Time flies, doesn't it? Time flies, doesn't it?
Yeah, feels like just yesterday we graduated. Yeah, feels like just yesterday we graduated.
Anyway, I better get back to my desk. Anyway, I better get back to my desk.
Sure, I'll let you get back to work. Sure, I'll let you get back to work.
Catch you later, don't work too hard. Catch you later, don't work too hard.
You two take care of yourself. You two take care of yourself.
Oh, one more thing, did you see the email? Oh, one more thing, did you see the email?
Which one? There were so many today. Which one? There were so many today.
The one about the schedule change. The one about the schedule change.
No, I missed that. What's the update? No, I missed that. What's the update?
We're starting an hour earlier tomorrow. We're starting an hour earlier tomorrow.
Oh wow, thanks for telling me. Oh wow, thanks for telling me.
No problem, I didn't want you to be late. No problem, I didn't want you to be late.
You saved me, seriously, thank you. You saved me, seriously, thank you.
Anytime, see you bright and early. Anytime, see you bright and early.
See you then, have a great afternoon. See you then, have a great afternoon.
You too, enjoy the rest of your day. You too, enjoy the rest of your day.
Will do, talk to you later. Will do, talk to you later.
Later. Don't forget your umbrella, it's raining. Later. Don't forget your umbrella, it's raining.
Good catch, I almost walked out without it. Good catch, I almost walked out without it.
Stay dry out there. Stay dry out there.
Will do, thanks again. Will do, thanks again.
Practice complete. Great job. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful.
Subscribe for more English speaking content.